To demonstrate how WhitelistVideo works, we'll start with the child's device on the left and the parent's device on the right. From the child's iPad, click on any YouTube video to see what happens when it's not approved yet. Notice how the video gets blocked immediately. A black overlay appears preventing your child from watching unapproved content. The app shows a clear message explaining that this channel isn't on the approved list yet. Click the Ask Parent button to send a request for approval. The request is now sent and your child will see this confirmation message while waiting for your review. The request has been sent from the child's device. Let's go to next step, which is to review and approve the request on the parent's device. To review and approve the request on the parent's device, tap the Requests tab here, which shows a notification badge indicating new requests. You'll now see the request page displaying all pending requests from your child, including details about what content they want to watch. To preview the requested content before making a decision, tap the channel link shown here. This opens a web view where you can see exactly what YouTube video your child is requesting to watch, helping you make an informed decision. After reviewing the content, navigate back to the request screen to approve or deny the request. Since the content is appropriate, tap the Approve button to grant your child access to this video. A Request Approved confirmation message appears, and the request is automatically cleared from your pending list, notifying your child that they can now watch the video. The request has been approved on the parent's device. Let's go to next step, which is to view the approved content on the child's device. To view the approved content on the child's device, click the Check Status button. The pop-up disappears and the requested video begins playing, showing that the parent has approved this content. Let's go to next step, which is to send a new video request to demonstrate the Deny feature. To send a new video request, let's head back to the YouTube homepage. Scroll down to browse more video options. Click on a different video thumbnail to test another request. As expected, the video is blocked and shows the same approval message since this channel isn't whitelisted yet. Click the Ask Parent button to send another request. The confirmation appears showing Request Sent. This new video request is now waiting for parental review. The video request has been sent from the child's device. Let's go to next step, which is to deny the request on the parent's device. To deny the request on the parent's device, tap the Requests tab here. You'll see the new video request appear on this screen. Tap the Deny button to reject this video request. The Request Denied confirmation message appears at the bottom of the screen. The request has been denied on the parent's device. Let's go to next step, which is to check the denied status on the child's device. To check the status of the denied request, click the Check Status button here on the child's device. As you can see, the pop-up now clearly displays Request Denied, confirming that the parent has rejected this video request and the child cannot access the content.